like, subscribe, and get notified for more. Bring this premium tagliatelle pasta to a boil for 3 minutes. Make sure the pasta is all soaked in the water. I have also added 2 teaspoons of sea salt and some olive oil to the water as it brings to a boil. This is my first time cooking tagliatelle pasta. It looks so much like the Chinese egg noodle. Let's wait for 3 minutes as it brings to a boil. Here's the cooked pasta after 3 minutes in boiling water. Nice! It's al dente. Looks so springy. It's just right not too cooked or it will be soggy. Now the chopped garlic is cooked with butter for 2 minutes. Remember not to overcook the garlic as it will make the pasta taste bitter. I love to hear the sizzling sound from cooking. Next you can smell the aroma from the cooked garlic. I will be adding 2 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt and 2 teaspoons of Celtic sea salt to bring the base to taste. Let's give it a stir to give it a uniform mix. I am adding sliced French onion to give it some sweetness. Then let's give it a good stir. I am adding 2 cups of sliced Swiss mushrooms. Then stir it well as it cooks. Let's give it a thorough stir and mix it well to get a uniform taste. What do you think? Is it okay? I think we're almost done here. The mushroom is now cooked and well mixed with the onion. Let's add some oregano herbs, best for pasta. Then we give it a good stir to mix them well. Let's now add the cooked tagliatelle to the mixture and gradually stir them well. Add the rest of the tagliatelle pasta, and we are almost done here. Give it a good stir and mix well. Now I am frying the herby breaded prawns as the sides to the pasta. Let's transfer the fried prawns to a container and ready to serve with the pasta. Voila! Here is the tagliatelle pasta olio with fried breaded prawns. If you like capsicum and tomatoes, you can also mix those in to serve. Please like, subscribe, and get notified for more. Thanks for watching.